Welcome to JavaScript Ninjas, the ultimate coding dojo where you sharpen your skills, master JavaScript, and rise to ninja level. With unlimited coding questions, from simple exercises to ninja level challenges, you'll always find the right problem to sharpen your skills. You can learn from others by exploring different solutions from others approached, or study the top 10 ranked solutions to learn best practices. And also you can track your progress, earn points, and level up from novice all the way to JavaScript Ninja. Your journey is always saved. With my submissions, you can revisit your past answers, including mistakes, and learn from them. Got a favorite question? Use my favorites to save it and come back anytime. Compete with others on the leaderboard, see the top coders, and track your own level progress as you rise up the ranks. With Code&Run feature, you can instantly write your code, run it, and check your answers in real time. You can also head to the tutorial section. Learn step by step with examples, practice along the way, and if you get stuck, you can reveal the answers to keep learning, and if you're a beginner or get stuck, you can head to the Learn section and pick any chapter you want, and you can watch the video for that chapter and practice 5 questions. If you don't know an answer, just reveal it, you can see the solution and learn directly from it. Use the search bar to instantly find problems by topic or difficulty. And if you ever get stuck or have questions, simply connect through the contact section. Help is just an email away. Start practicing today, practice unlimited challenges, level up your skills and become a JavaScript ninja. Now go to javascriptninjas.com and start practicing today. Subscribe for tutorials and videos, and stick with us to become a true JavaScript ninja.